Hi, it's Scott here from Molson Coors Technical Services Digital Team, and I'm here today with Cobra Beer, and we're going to teach you how to pour a pint of lager the correct way and also show you what not to do as well. But before we go any further, get down in those comments, like and subscribe to the video. But let's get into it, shall we? Firstly, you've got to check that the glass is clean, cool and undamaged. Hold the glass at the bottom, never the top. The glass shouldn't touch the tap, and the tap shouldn't touch the beer. Pull the handle quickly and pour the beer onto the logo at 45 degrees. For less foam, pour beer onto the glass. For more foam, pour beer onto the beer, and don't swirl. Aim for around about 5% head, roughly a finger's width. And finally, present the logo towards the customer. Perfect. So you've seen what you should do, but what shouldn't you do? Well, you should never touch the tap on the glass. You should never put the tap into the beer either. You also need to make sure that you open the handle fully, or it invites foam. If you follow these steps, you'll have a perfect serve of lager every single time. Thanks for joining me today, teaching you how to pour a pint of lager the correct way, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers.